Alright guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can create clone in a simple and fast way. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into CapCut and do the edit. So before you make a clone video, the first thing you need to do is to film on a tripod stand. So the video must be stabilized. The subject can move anywhere in the video, but whatever you can use to stabilize it, just make sure that the camera is stable and not moving. Number 2, ensure that you're using the same lighting for all the scenes that you'll be doing in your clone video. So these are the main tips that you need to know before we get started. Alright, so you open up CapCut, you create a new project. Let's import our footage. Okay, this is all the clip. So in this particular clip I'm using, I've shot all the scenes that I'm going to use for this clone in this particular clip. So I'm just going to divide them into segments of the different characters that I use. Alright, so you drag the clip to your timeline and expand this so that you can see it well. Then I'll come here. Alright, so I'm going to come over here and locate the other clip, which is this. So I'm going to bring this and put it on top. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is to come over to mask and add the mask. Then we're just going to choose split and rotate it. Alright, rotate it. Then yeah, so now we have an issue now. So we can see that once I drop the book, it had a cut out somewhere. So let's quickly fix that. You come over here, then we can use the pen tool, then we trace it out, we trace it out, we trace it out. You trace it out. No, the shadow is meant to appear. I will just bring this here. I'll bring this here. I'll bring this here, and I'll bring this here. Then we should have so as you can see, I'm adjusting the pen to anywhere the book cut out. So I'll just adjust that. I'll adjust this key point in this place. So let's check it out again. So now my head is coming out of the frame here. I need to adjust this top side. So I'm doing this because I am molding a material. So if you are not holding a material that is going to intersect with the other frame, there's no need of you doing masking. And another step or another style that you can use is to remove the background, is to isolate the subject and the material the subject is using. But I think this method actually works fine. So let's check it again. So let's see how it is again. So my head is still coming out of, still showing the line here. So let's quickly adjust that. I'll adjust that a little. So you just need to check everything and play around with it and get the best result. So it's cutting out again in this place. So I'm just going to adjust the point here again. And let's check it again. Yeah, so there's an issue here. To my hand is not aligning well. So let's quickly fix that. Alright, so we now have our perfect clone. And one more thing to do again, you notice that my foot is not showing in this video, like the remaining part of my leg, I mean. So I'll just drag this down a little, now my legs are showing. Alright, so I'll just delete the one I'm not using, and I'll expand this a little. I'll expand this a little and just put it together in the tiny. So the main subject is stepping out. Alright, so I'm just going to increase the feather a little, then I'll come to this place and keyframe it here. Alright, so once I keyframe it, then before here I should have an expansion. And reduce the feather. So let's see how it is again. Let's go. Alright, so we now have a clean and super cool clone video. Alright, so this will be the end of this tutorial. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel, and you can drop any tutorial that you want me to talk about next. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.